Hello everyone, welcome to SMA Vlog. I'm Shahid. In this video, I'm going to show how you can prepare the soil of your backyard for tree plantation, vegetable garden or making a beautiful flower garden. So if you feel interested in this topic, stick into this channel and I will try my best to share all the information with you guys. So let's start the video. In my backyard, this is the first time when I'm going to prepare the soil and make it ready for tree plantation. This backyard was full of weeds and all other unexpected trees and plants and full of grasses. So this time I made a patio in the middle and I left some areas on both sides of this patio where I am sitting right now to make a beautiful vegetable and flower garden. On my right side you can see that I already prepared the soil, just clean the weeds, and in my left side I didn't do anything yet. I thought that it's very important to share with you guys about the process I followed to prepare this soil. This soil was full of grasses and weeds, and due to snowfall all the weeds are now gone, but eventually it will come back. So I need to prepare the land in a way so that in future no weeds will come here, and no grass will be there, and make the land ready for vegetable and flower garden. Now I got ready for the work and we'll jump directly at the field. So let's go and do it together. Now I am going to work on this area and we'll prepare this area. We'll clean all these weeds and prepare the soil for plantation. Cleaning this area is very important. So first I need to lose the soil little bit, and then I will clean this area properly by hand. I'm using this garden cleaner and this shovel to complete this task. At this point, I am going to use a garden garbage bag to collect all the weeds and all unwanted materials from my land. I will start cleaning this area from here. This is my garbage bag. My intention is to just collect all types of unwanted plants from here. If you see all the grass roots, you have to collect all of those. These are something which are going to make problem down the road, so I'm just trying to clean up this unwanted plants from this area. You can see all these grass roots you have to collect. These are the roots, these are the small plants that I do not want to leave in this area, because if I leave this, this will grow up quickly and damage the original crop or the flowers that I'm going to grow here. Look at this, guys, such a big worm this is very good for growing this vegetable or flowers in the field. So it's a good sign for growing the vegetable over here. So this way I'm going to clean this area and I will meet you guys after cleaning. Now with the help of this I'm going to mix this soil properly so that all the roots and dirts which is left over here is going to mix with the soil. So let's mix it together. This is little bit, it's going to be a little bit hard in the beginning. The soil is a little bit wet right now. This is one problem, but you know what, it is what it is and we have to finish it and work it in this way, right? And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah, but I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on the shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. In order to prepare this soil properly, I need to mix some special ingredients with this soil. First of all, I purchased some all-purpose garden soil, which you can find in different stores. I basically bought everything from Home Depot. And then I'm going to use a special mixture. This contains humus, peat moss and compost. This is a very good mixture of these three materials. Because on this soil never been grown any vegetables or flowers, so I believe mixing all these materials may give me a good result. I have to try this because I have no previous data on this soil, so I don't know how this soil will respond. So I'm not going to get any chance and I'm going to mix everything with this soil. Other than that, at the end I'm going to mix some cow manure that also I bought from Home Depot. All these materials are not very expensive, $2 to $3 or $4 per bag, so it's very cheap. And if you can buy all these materials, I'm sure that you will get a good result. Let's see how it goes. Now I'm going to mix all these materials with this soil. After putting the all-purpose soil, I just need to mix it or just spread it properly. So that's all guys, very easy to prepare the soil. I want to make a summary at this point. So what I did is first I cleaned the soil, then I added a few materials like all-purpose soil, some compost and peat moss mix, and finally what I did is mixed some cow manure. So that's all guys. After that I just prepared the soil and then put some water on it just to make it moist. Now these beds are ready for vegetable or flower garden. I haven't decided yet what I will put here, but I first prepared this bed and now I will think about planting vegetables and flowers in this bed. I just thought I can share this information with you guys. It might help you if you need some information on this regard. Other than that, if I did something wrong, please write me in the comment. I definitely want to read your comments and learn from your experience. Thanks guys for watching this video. You guys have a good time and I hope I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.